You can't see these 8 secret places on Google Maps. Nowadays, if you don't have the budget for traveling, then you can explore your favorite countries on Google Maps. You can explore new places with this handy app. But, it is important to tell you that there are 8 secret places in the world that you can't even see on Google Maps. Are you feeling curious? These hidden places are pixelated due to some particular reasons. Here is the total list if you want to know about these secret places. Cattenom Nuclear Power Plant, France. In the world, Cattenom Nuclear Power Plant is the 9th largest nuclear station, which is situated in Grand Est, near Luxembourg. The entire area of this nuclear power station is pixelated on Google Maps due to its secrecy and sensitivity. Kos International Airport, Greece. Here's another pixelated site on Google Maps in order to protect it from terrorists. This airport is located on Kos Island and helps to bring visitors to the island through charter airlines. This is one of the busiest locations during summertime. Amchitka Island, Alaska. When you search Amchitka Island on the maps, you will discover that most of its area is pixelated. In 1950s, U.S. Atomic Energy Commission selected this site to perform underground nuclear tests. It is still under observation in order to check any existence of radioactive materials or leakage. Since then, it has been a restricted site and completely blurred on Google Maps. Jeanette Island, Russia. If you want to know about Jeanette Island on Google Maps, you will never find anything because the entire area is blurred of this island. It is considered as the most important military base of Russia, situated in the East Siberian Sea. As it is an army base, so it is a restricted area. Marcoule Nuclear Site, France. Yet another blurred site on the maps due to some reasons. It is a famous nuclear site in France and utterly pixelated on Google Maps after the permission of the French government. On the other hand, Marcoule Nuclear Site is the most important nuclear research site in the world. Minamitereshima Airport, Japan. This airport in Japan is not totally pixelated on Google Maps, but the saturated white line with the island is not visible. This is because it is a top center of the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. That's why you can't see the island entirely. Moruroa Island, French Polynesia. If you are a big fanatic of islands and searching Moruroa Island on Google Maps, you will not be able to find anything. This island is entirely pixelated because the French military conducted nuclear tests here on this island between 1966 and 1996. Moreover, no visitor can explore this island. Auroral Research Program, Gakona, Alaska. This program was funded by the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. You can't see this place on Google Maps. Most of its area is saturated with white color just to make it invisible. This is the presentation of www.wiselancer.net. Their motto is to keep spreading knowledge. Please keep visiting the website and YouTube channel to gain knowledge. You are requested to like, share and subscribe to get notifications regularly. Wiselancer.net is a finger touch away. Act now.